Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And the question for today is deepest leaf sums. Alright, so given the root of a binary tree, we have to return the sum of the values at its deepest node. So what does it mean by the deepest node leaves is that suppose this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, and this is the deepest node level 4. So we have to calculate the sum for the deepest node. That is the deepest one, as we can see, and the sum of this would be 7 plus 8, that is 15. Alright, so that is our answer over here. Alright, I hope you are getting my point, how we are going to solve this problem. This is problem is nothing but same as the level order traversal of a binary tree, and just a little bit of modification. The little bit of modification in this case would be that, but as we are traversing the tree by level order, we are calculating its sum. Alright, and we are updating its sum again and again. As soon as we reach the final level, we don't have to calculate any other sum else, so we just return the value as we exit the loop. Alright, so just the sum is created and all that stuff. It's a very easy question and a very basic one as well. I hope you are familiar with the level order traversal. If not, let me show you hint here only. So yeah, so what we do in the level order traversal is we take a queue. Alright, it's same as BFS approach only, breadth first search. So we but in this case the starting point is root always. Alright, so we keep the root in the sum, and then we check for its neighbor. If there are their neighbors, then we keep them in the queue. Alright, so yeah. Alright, but in this case we will check that if the length is now 1 only, so we will know that now if the length is, if we exit from here and we have this, then we will know that the length of now would contain only the letters present at that level. Alright, so the length is 2, it will create only the levels that are alright. Now the child of 2 are 4 and 5, and the child of 3 is 6. Alright, because we know the length 2, we will loop it on to length 2 only. Now after that, when the 3 is calculated and its edges are 10, then we are left with this. As soon as we again come for 4, we first calculate the length only. The length is 3, so we will traverse the 3 only. Not we will check for the entire queue. Alright, so that's the case over here. Alright, simply we are just creating some levels and we are just traversing them, and we are taking the help of queue. Alright, I hope this approach is clear to everyone, and it's not much of complicated approach. It's just a simple modification, as I said earlier, is of level order traversal of a binary tree. Alright, now let's see the code for this problem, and I hope it would be much more clearer then. Alright, now let's see the code. Yeah, so the code for this would be, we have taken a queue, as you know, because we are applying the breadth first search kind of algorithm. So the first thing we'll push into the queue would be the root node, that is the starting position. We take two variables, answer and length. Why we have taken length? Because I told you earlier, if we make a queue and we pop out the element, we will know that this is one level, and the length would signify that only. Alright, yeah. So yeah, now while q dot size is, first we update the length. Initially it would be 1, so it would be the root only, and we will take only that node, and we will check if the current is not null, right is not null, we will add the value. Alright, we will keep on looping for the particular length. Alright, so we are creating the lengths that is signify the nodes that are present at that levels. Alright, as soon as the queue is empty, we have just calculated the sum of last level, and it would be stored in answer only, so we will just return the answer variable. I hope this approach is clear to everyone. If you still are facing any difficulty or any doubt in this approach, you can ask me in the comment section of this video. I'll surely reply to it. And if you don't have any doubt and you like this video, please like this video, and also share it among your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, wait, we haven't submitted the code. Now let's submit it also first. Yeah, as you can see, it's accepted. So yeah, please share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.